The rock attack that killed Alexa Bartel was not an isolated incident. Today, prosecutors made that clear in the trial of the man accused of throwing the stone that killed Bartel. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kim Christensen.
I'm Tom Green. Today, jurors heard firsthand accounts from others who could have easily been severely injured or killed themselves. And Kevin Vaughn from 9 News Investigates was in court again all day today. He's in Jefferson County. Kevin, these stories today seemed shocking in the courtroom.
Tom and Kim, they were. The jury today heard from 6 people whose cars were hit by rocks the same night Alexa Bartel died. For some of those people, the rocks barely missed their heads. As the trial of Joe Koenig moved into its second day, jurors saw harrowing images. Images of cars with holes ripped in them. Images of the damage that the rocks caused. And along the way, they heard from the people who survived those attacks.
I just heard kind of an explosion almost, but just the windshield shattering. That's all I heard.
My immediate thought was, is there a hawk out here? And then it was, no, it can't be a hawk. It's too late for a hawk. It has to be an owl. And then I realized it was a rock when it hit my windshield. And the glass shattered and sprayed all across the right side of my face. Into my neck, into my eye, into my ear, into my nose, into my mouth.
As it was passing the minivan, I saw something come out of the back. At first, since it was kind of the tail end of winter, I thought it was maybe a sheet of ice or something coming off. But whatever it was struck the vehicle ahead of me and then came and hit me.
And then the next thing I know is just, it sounded like a gunshot went off.
Well, I got out of my car and I looked at the damage that was done and kind of freaked out a little bit on what am I going to do. I said, well, that's the end of my night. I can't go work. I can't have people in a car like that.
Prosecutors have already called 27 witnesses. The reason there have been so many in part is because defense attorneys are not asking many of these witnesses any questions. We expect that to change in the coming days when Joe Koenig's 2 co-defendants come in to testify against him. We expect a lot of cross-examination then. Live in Jefferson County, Kevin Vaughn, 9 News.
That's a lot of testimony and a lot of people who probably thought they were very unlucky, maybe now reflecting that they were lucky. Could have been a different story. Kevin, thanks.